What's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Officers' Quick Response Saved This Woman. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On December 23, 2024, officers with the St. Petersburg Police Department responded to a call in reference to a domestic disturbance. Upon arrival, the officer observed the suspect battering and carrying away a female victim.
He handled it and he got a knife, man.
He's got her in her arms.
Knife, man.
Police, drop her!
Better act right. I'm about to send you to the afterlife.
Hey, let's show me your hands now!
Get you together.
Get on the ground! On the ground now!
For what?
On the ground!
For what?
For battery! On the
I'm
ground!
not doing nothing.
Get on the ground!
For what?
For battery, because I said so. Stay there. Hey!
Man, put a round in his ass, man.
Striped shirt, black shorts. I don't see a knife.
At least get the taser out. Get the taser out. Do
You're
something.
gonna get tased. You're gonna
There
get
we go.
tased.
Get his ass right. Get him right.
Taser deployment. I'm in the Publix parking lot. You're gonna get it again. Get on your belly right now. On your belly. Lay down.
For what I did.
I told you to stop. You were battering that woman.
I didn't
Stay
batter her.
on the ground. Arms out.
Yes.
Arms out. Feet flat.
I didn't better her. For what? I didn't even better her.
Stay there. Put your arms out now, or you're gonna get it again.
Yes.
That's 37.
For what?
I've got a
didn't
taser
do
deployment.
nothing.
I'm in the Publix parking lot. Get down.
I'm down.
Stay down.
I'm down.
Put your arms out.
My arms is out, man. What the f was that
He's
for?
not detained right now. I have a taser deployment. I need more to get him in custody, please.
Oh, for what? What the f did I do, bro? I didn't even do nothing. I was helping her out the road.
No, you weren't. I saw you throw her down.
I
Put
threw
your
her
arms
down?
out and be quiet.
I didn't throw her down.
Arms out and be quiet.
Yeah.
Don't be picking anything up. Put your arms out.
Damn, brother, bullshit.
Stay right there, please.
I tell her I
Sit
wasn't
down.
doing nothing. I wasn't
Stay
doing
there.
nothing.
Put your arms out.
My arms is out. What was you doing? I wasn't even doing that, man. Man, that's crazy. Hey, tell her I wasn't doing shit, Jenna.
Arms out! I'm gonna give you it again. Arms all the way out. Get on your belly flat.
My belly, it hurt.
Oh well.
It's stuck in my eye.
Okay. Well, we'll get you rescued when you're in handcuffs. But you're not listening right now.
How this shit stuck in my eyes, man.
Okay. Well, we'll get you rescued when we're all done.
Ouch.
Stop moving. You're gonna get it again. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. And it's crazy as what? Now that I didn't even do
Put your arms out. Put your arms out. I don't know if he's got a knife on him.
That's fine.
That's 37. We'll take him into custody. Everyone else can slow it down.
Give me your
Other
other
arm.
hand. Give me your other hand. Dude.
Come on. Turn your hands.
That thing in my eyes again.
Knock it off. Not resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Go ahead, clip it in.
Relax your arms, man.
There it is. This other side. Go to the other side. Legs straight out. My man, legs straight out.
Playing games,
Got a knife right there.
Yeah, I pulled it out of the pocket.
I didn't have no knife on her. Uh-oh. Look at that blood.
Stand up.
Stop playing games.
Use your feet.
Okay, I got things.
Yeah, you're fine now. You're not being tased right now. Stand up.
Now my feet's up there.
Nothing was like he was walking away. He wasn't listening.
Playing them stupid games, they gonna get you together.
Use your legs, man.
What is it? fish.
I'll take that.
Get it out. Throw in the trunk.
Just want to do another. Ready?
Can you
back up? Ma'am, can you go over to there, please? You gonna stand up, use your legs?
You gonna just keep being difficult, brother?
I'm gonna have to pick you up like a baby and put you in there. I searched his pockets and whatnot in his waistband, but let me try again.
Stand up
Since
like a
you have
man,
gloves
buddy.
on.
Come on.
I didn't check his boots. Here we go. Come on, ready?
Like a
One,
man.
two, three. Come on, dude.
I'm just making it worse for you.
That's just gonna piss him off and even more, man. And then once they pass that word along down to the county, the guys down there in the county or whatever, you just making this worse for yourself, bruh. That don't make no sense.
Yourself, bud.
Those aren't double locked yet either.
Stand up. Come on.
I can't breathe. I'm having a seizure.
You don't have a seizure.
For real, for real.
They got rest.
I can't breathe, bro.
You want to sit in the car then?
No,
You
call
breathe?
the ambulance.
Call the what?
Emergency.
Huh? What's he saying?
You want an ambulance?
Oh.
Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance.
Oh, let my arm go. You hurt my arm.
Then stand up.
No, you hurt my arm. I can't. Duh. If I could, I would. You're hurting my arm.
Just stand on your feet. Those still work, don't they?
No. You shot me in my eye.
Some
Sorry.
rescues behind him.
Sit
They're
on
right
the
there.
curb.
Yeah, just sit him on the curb for now.
Double lock.
Yeah, go ahead, double lock.
Oh, man, my leg hurt already.
Unlock it, dude.
Man, my leg hurt already.
Jeez.
In the end, 30-year-old DeMarcus was charged with false imprisonment, battery, possession of paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. He pled guilty and was sentenced to 24 months in prison with credit for 198 days served. If you like this video and want to see more like
Oh, I like that. See, I like body cam channels like this that they wait until the whole case is complete. So that way we can see what happened at the end. You know what I'm saying? He got 2 years. This was his last day free. You know, I like shit like that. I ain't gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. That dude is a lost cause, man. Straight lost cause. I wish, man, this Pop-Tart is good. I haven't had a Pop-Tart in so long. But anyways, I get a cops a 3. You feel me? Because the girl, she did a good job and stuff like that. But the guys at the end that was babying him and shit like that, man, it's a bunch of y'all dudes out there, man. Pick his big ass up and throw his ass in the goddamn car. What's the big deal? You know what I'm saying? So I think they get a 3 for satisfactory, but that's about it, man. They don't get no more than that.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.